Hi, my name is Sachin Jain and I'm the product manager for Alt Fuels for Europe. Today I'm going to give you a brief overview of the CNG dispenser. Gilbarco Veeder-Root has been making and installing CNG dispensers for more than 15 years. In fact, we worked with a lot of collaborators, compressor manufacturers and gas companies. The biggest advantage of SK700 CNG dispenser is its range. You can have a CNG dispenser as a standalone unit, just the column with the hydraulic, or you can have it as a twin column wherein you have two hoses simultaneously, which could be a bus nozzle and a car nozzle. You can even have a CNG dispenser as an IOD version wherein you will have the hose coming out from the side. But above all, you can have CNG as a combi version wherein you can combine CNG with 5 different fuel grades, including LPG. That gives you a big advantage, and that allows you to meet your forecourt needs and your customer requirements, and you can configure the dispenser, the combi dispenser, as per your needs. Besides that, the CNG dispenser is compatible with both 250 and 300 bar compressor. And depending on your compressor manufacturer, you can order the 250 or 300 bar dispenser with either internal sequencing or external sequencing. The CNG dispenser is based on the Coriolis meter. The Coriolis meter is actually the best-in-class technology for measuring gases, and it has no moving parts, which ensures that there are no issues of wear and tear of the meter. Besides that, the CNG dispenser adheres to the highest quality of safety. The CNG dispenser is approved for installation in Germany, Netherlands, Austria and Switzerland, and we are working on adding more countries to that list. The dispenser is made in-house with highest quality sheet metal, zinc coated and powder coated, and besides that, when you get a CNG dispenser, it is tested in-house, and all the tests are done before the CNG dispenser is shipped out. So overall, I think CNG dispenser offers you the best advantage of being most flexible. It seamlessly integrates with the other dispensers and systems on the forecourt. Besides, it's unique. It can be combined with all these different fuel grades to suit your needs, and then it is a very safe, highest quality construction that you can get. I think it's value for money. Thank you.